welcome back to another video. Today we have, I just got a Wario. Didn't come in the box as he is. I just want to show you guys, since I just got a Wario, I also got to make a spot for him on my shelf. But when I was doing it, I just realized, look at this, Mario's there on Richard's box. Just thought that was cool. He's not on Dark Samus, Dark Armpit. But let's open them up. So you set you guys down. Mario can sit there. We'll start with, I like Richard more. So guys, stop flying. Okay, so we're gonna open Dark Samus up first. Get them ripped open. Garbage. You guys, let me just peel it out. And here he is in the plastic thing. Now he's out. And whoa, he is beautiful. Look at him. It's so crisp and nice compared to Samus. Okay, guys, you guys want me to get Samus? I know you want me to get Samus, so you guys look at that for a second. I'll be back. Hi, guys. So I'm back. Here's Samus. It's from the Wii U, the Ultimate. You can tell, look at this, how much they improved these models. It's like a Wii U model. So this. So it's Wario. You can tell like now how much they improved the Dark Samus. Well, that's enough of these guys. Put them. We want to open Richard up. Okay, so let's open Richard up. Garbage. Poke our hole. Still trying to get like a new spot to record opening. So today we're on a piano. Today we're recording right here. So let's make our new background. So here is Richard. He looks so nice. This guy's awesome. Oh yeah, I train all my amiibos at 50. I just got Wario, so he's not 50 yet. That's why I thought it was cool that these guys are on the same box. But like Samus is 50. And so is Simon. Belmont. Richard. And Simon. This is the Echo Fighter of Simon, if you didn't know. And Full Samus. And Dark Samus, the Echo Fighter Samus. So these are both, this is like an Echo Fighter release. But most people like the Echo Fighter a little bit better than the actual. Like, I like Richard more. I like Samus more. Most of my friends like Dark Samus. Like Kim, he likes Dark Samus. So, and like grab, come on, you're going to jail. So let's demonstrate everyone we got. Today we got Richard and Dark Samus. Welcome to the collection. And you also, if you want to see every single one of my amiibos, like here, like, move these guys to the back, because I do have, like in this video, you also saw these 3 others. Simon has been unboxed on the channel, if you want to go see that video. And then we also, Wario hasn't been on channel, and I don't think Samus has. Maybe in the Ridley Inkling and then when Smash Bros came out. If you want to see that video, that one's also really nice. So today we looked at Wario, Dark Samus, Richard, and Simon. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and see you.